Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video I'm making a small detail about which mic is good for recording on the GoPro, and now I have connected TRS mic, which is around 250 to 300 rupees in Amazon. I'll add the link in the description below. So let's test this the quality in good speeds. I think 60 to 80 kilometer speed is decent enough to test it. And then I have the Maona mic also. It is the most decent mic that is used by everyone who's trying to motovlog with the GoPro setup on the helmet. We'll try that too, and now let's roll. The trip F is already in 57.4, so I'll refuel and then we'll hit the outer ring road to test the quality of the mic on high speeds. For your reference, I'm repeating once again, I'm using that 250 rupees or 300 rupees TRS mic that is available in Amazon. The visor is closed, and I'll keep on saying what is the kilometer speed I'm riding at, so we can test the quality of sound that is coming out. I am at 60s now. 80s, just keep it up on the clarity of the sound that is coming out from the mic, because that is what the best speed where we can motovlog. Riding more than 100 and motovlog is going to be like a huge wind blast, which is not that great. So this would be like perfect, 60 to 80 or less than 60 most probably when you're in traffic. Yesterday I took this test ride of Meteor 350, but it felt very good in smoothness. The engine is like very smooth, almost less vibrations, and it felt new, like after the Interceptor. Interceptor has that level of refinement. Himalayan is much far better compared to Meteor in terms of ride comfort, because the seats, the cushions, the suspension is like super good. We don't feel much of any small potholes in the road. That is what the best thing in Himalayan. Even in Classic it feels less because of the spring seat, but for the pillion they feel every bump. And the moment you stand still, you have the control grip of the motorcycle. You need not lean forward. So all this add-ons and pros of Himalayan makes it a more comfortable bike to ride day long. And because it's adventure tourer, it is more comfortable in seating position also. I'm talking all this because eventually we can make out the clarity of mic on these speeds. So I have to test it only at the time of editing the video. Now even I am not sure how good the clarity of the mic is. Let's take a U-turn here and connect the Maona mic, which is the most familiar mic with all motovloggers because of its noise cancellation, and it doesn't grab low intensity sounds, so the clarity of the sound will be like much better than this 200 rupees TRS mic. Yeah, so far it is going so good. And let's stop here, swap the mic port, and then start riding back. So this is the TRS mic, which is a 2-pin mic. We are going to remove this, and we are going to connect the Maona mic. The Maona mic has two features. We can use it for mobile phone also, and put this extender and use it for motovlogging also, because this is the 2-pin which is connected to mic adapter which supports. So let's try riding with it. So now we are connected with the Maona mic. So once the red signal is green, we'll try the audio quality of the Maona mic with speeds which I would say 60 to 80 km/h. That is decent enough for good motovlogging. So I'm closing the visor. So do let me know like how is the clarity of voice with the Maona mic. I am at around 70 km/h at 80. So if you could capture a decent amount of voice at 80 km/h, that is much more enough for the best performance of the mic. Come on, voice coming down. Oh. As I was saying earlier, yeah, I went to the showroom taking the classic 350 in choice, but after the BS3 failure of Himalayan, when BS4 launched, they came up with a new thing called the Explorer Kit. I don't know how much of you people are aware of it. It is a 500 bike limited edition series where Royal Enfield offers all the panniers kit and a few add-ons here and there. Only the panniers or the noticeable things and all the small things are not that fancy. I have to tighten this up. One major thing which we can observe is a wider handlebar, which is more comfortable compared to the shorter one. But shorter handlebars are good in city cruising, longer ones are very good in highway cruising, because we get a free hold of the motorcycle without any efforts. Chose a Himalayan rather than a classic 350, because classic 350 was a top selling product from Royal Enfield at those times. I don't want to go to the same thing again, so I took the risk because I don't know how good the BS4 is performing. Is it without issues or not? Anything, but still I went ahead with this, and the decision was right. It is peaceful so far. I love the motorcycle. I have did around 19,600 kilometers. I have to drop it for service at 20,000. Still now I have dropped in around 20 to 25,000 rupees as accessories on this motorcycle, because I love it. So when we love something, like, we keep on adding things to it to make it more comfortable for us, for our desires. Yeah. Do let me know like how is the clarity of both the mics, which one do you recommend, or which one you will be using it for your videos or for motovlogging. And there we'll end up the video here. So glad you all people liked the video, and it is useful in some extent. And see you soon in another vlog. Until then, take care, bye bye, and see ya.